Oxy has been on a tear as of late. I've done a couple of videos so far on Oxy. My last video, I did a $60 price target, and that was hit yesterday. So I had to jump on here, do a quick update video, let you guys know what I'm looking at next for Oxy. So let's jump into the charts, see what we see, and see where we're going from here. So looking at the daily time frame right now, you can see yesterday we got up to about 60.72 and we rejected, came down and closed basically right under $60 at 59.58. This morning in pre-market, which today's date is 3/20, and it's about 8:36 in the morning right now, so we still have about an hour until the market actually opens. But as of right now, we're at 60.15. So if we do open today on Friday over that $60 level, I want to see us break over yesterday's high for some continuation to the upside. Now, obviously, oil is going to come into effect here depending on what oil can do. Yesterday, we had a nice spike on oil, then it got rejected, ended up coming back down under that $98 level. As of this morning, let's just take a look and see where oil currently is. So oil is at 94.52. We are rejecting this $98 level, and it looks like we could potentially start to come down on oil. Now, if we get a bounce and we can get over that $98 level and possibly get over $100, that's going to be significant for Oxy and the other oil stocks moving forward, okay? So going back to Oxy, now if we do get any kind of oil headlines that say the Iran war, they come out and say it's over, you're more than likely going to get a dump on oil, which is going to also bring down Oxy, Chevron, Exxon, and so forth. So it is going to be a news-driven event moving forward. I do believe we still have some upside on oil before we just flat out come down. Obviously, that's going to put pressure on the rest of the market, as we've kind of seen, right? But as far as Oxy goes, I want to see us get over that 60-70 level for continuation. The RSI is still hot, so this is the daily time frame, and right now the daily RSI is at 73. So be careful up here. We could get a pullback. It has been strong. This trend can continue, but if we start to see any kind of weakness, I'd just go ahead and be safe and get out. Now, if you're in this for a long-term hold, I'm talking about day trade. If you're in this for a long time hold, like you're looking good, right? You're going to go through pullbacks, and that's part of it. You know, you're getting a good dividend with Oxy. It's a strong stock. It's got a lot of good backing with Berkshire Hathaway being a prime investor in it. So moving forward, let's look and see where we can possibly go from here. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame on Oxy. So you can see it's a very good looking bullish chart, right? Like we came down, tested, bounced. Now we're back at resistance here, right? So we could come down potentially back down to this level here of around 59.15, okay? And then potentially get a bounce out of there. But if we don't come down to that 59.15, the next significant level from here, you're having to go back pretty far. So my next level upside is going to be about 61.30. So my next target is going to be around 61.30 today, which is Friday, 3/20. I think we might, if we can get over yesterday's high, we'll attack that 61.30 level. But if we go up there, reject, look for a pullback back to that $60 level. And if we get under 60, we could come back down to that 59 area, okay? So that's the short-term price targets for Oxy. Moving forward, the RSI is a little hot right now, so be careful. Oil is still looking bullish. We might get a little downside move in it. If we do, Oxy could follow suit, or it could move in its own way and continue the bullish trend that it has been in. But if you want to see more Oxy videos, just let me know in the comments. Put in the comments also, I'd love to hear if you think Oxy's still got room to go upside. But that's all for this video. We'll put out another Oxy update video next week. So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss the next one. We'll see you next time.